Today I would like to talk about map and filters. So let's get started. So for doing that, let me define a custom list. I'm defining a custom list of values 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Here I would like to define the map function. The map functions usually are applied on iterable and they receive a function inside them. So it means that they are applied on an iterable like a list here, and they are performing an operation on each element of the list. For defining the map function, I can write custom list.map, and here I would like to just take each element of the list and just multiply it by 2. Let me run the new list. Like I can write that val custom list 2 here, and I just would like to print custom list 2 that for each you can print the element of the list with this statement. So run anonymous function. Here we can see that the list is printed, and here we had 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and here we have 0, 6, 12. So it means that the values, each value of the list are multiplied by 2. So this is a function like the function which we have here, x to x multiplied by 2, exactly the same definition. I have it here, and you can see that this is a list of values, and it can be a sequence or it can be an array. You apply the map function, and this map function receives another function, and this applies this function definition on each element of this list. We can apply a little bit more syntactic sugar on this function and make it a little bit more concise. So for example, I can write custom list 3 and the custom list, and here I would like to still use the map function. Here I use underscore multiply by 2, and this is exactly the same as using this notation like item to item multiply by 2. This exactly has the same effect. So it just takes the list, custom list, and apply this function which is multiplying each element by 2. So if I use custom list 2 for each print, and also if I use custom list 3 for each print, then both of them should have the same list printed. So I need to use double quotation here. Okay, I run the function. And you can see that exactly these two lists are the same. So for example, here we have 0612 and 0612. So these and two anonymous functions, there is a bit of syntactic sugar in this function definition, and these two anonymous functions are exactly the same. So the map, I would write here that map function receives a function. It has two properties, and also they are applied on an iterable, i.e., for example, a list. Another useful functions, which is the filter function, I would like to introduce it now, and it is very much similar to the map function. It is applied on a list and generates another list. However, the generated list would be much smaller. So let me show you with an example. So for example, here I would like to explain the filter function, and basically I would like to write custom list filter, something like that, and I write custom list. I use the filter function, and the filter function here, it just text item, and it wants to check if the division of this item by 2 equals to 0, and then it keeps the item or filters the item. It means that we want to filter the even values, or I would say we want to keep the even values. And if I print this custom list filter, then here I'm writing println printing filtered list. If I run this, we can see that this list contains only the even values. And this anonymous function here helped us to basically apply this filter function on this. So filter function, map function are very much used together with the anonymous functions, and they are useful constructs to deal with iterables, to apply a specific calculation on a list and basically generate a new list.